Are you ready to revolutionize the way you generate and follow up with leads? Imagine reaching people actively searching for your services, whether it's insurance, plumbing, or real estate. With our cutting-edge lead platform, now you can. So here we have our leads platform with Site AI and Search AI. Within Site AI, we can capture the leads of people coming to our website on any link we want. Fill out the information, enter in the URL where we want leads to come in for, enable the phone number, enable the home address, and the don't identify leads already in another campaign. Click Save. And that's pretty much it. Leads will go to a Google Sheet and we can configure integrations. This is the code to copy and paste into that URL of that site. We can start, stop, and pause campaigns. Now we'll go to the Search AI function, go to Add Campaign, fill out the information we can target nationally by state and zip code. We can set how many leads we want. 500 a day, perfect. Enable phone number, email address, click that same checkbox. Enter in the search terms we want to capture leads for, hit Save. And again, these leads will get pushed to a Google Sheet. Leads will come in with a date, name, email, phone, address, city, state, zip, and the search term they were looking for. Here's where the magic happens. Those leads get pushed to our automation software, where we have triggers set up. We can even have forms on your website that trigger the same automations. Immediately, we have a custom webhook for an Air AI voice phone call. We'll get into that in a second. Here we have the first text message and our first email, with the name tagged there in brackets. We'll wait a day, we'll send another email and another text message, and all that custom content will be created for you to match the messaging and tone for your audience. We'll have the third email go out and the third text message go out, encouraging leads to book an appointment. Here we have the fourth and fifth as well, and the last email and text will be indefinite until they opt out. Here is the Air AI voice agent software. You can tell the agent how to interact with the leads, and we'll encourage them to book an appointment using cal.com. You can test the agent by clicking this button. Here we have the recordings, so you can play it back anytime you want. Here are our integrations for cal.com, like I mentioned, and some other integrations to make this all work. And here is cal.com, where we'll set you up with an account. However, we can do a direct transfer, so there is no requirement to have a booking link. As you can see, this is a very robust system for leads and follow-up, and will change the way you generate and nurture leads forever.